Hey guys, it's 2 with 3D Cycle Parts. Today we're going to look at installing the newest version of our stalk delete kit or turn signal repair kit on a 2nd gen KLR. This is the new slotted version. This is the same as the kit we've had out for over a year now, except this new one, if you'll see here, it's got a slot through the back of the adapter and a slot through the inner plate that holds it in place. This is what the kit looks like. It comes with I've already taken out one adapter and one inner plate and one screw to do this corner right here, but this is what it looks like, and comes with enough to do all 4 corners. Comes with a couple stickers to put on your bike and take pictures of and tag us on social media. So that's that. So to do this, what you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. It actually helps in this situation to have one a lot shorter than this. If your bike has the blinkers in a factory location, this is I have Happy Trails boxes on here, and so it has these extension brackets, and so my wires have already been extended and everything, but it's going to be the same kind of scenario because there's no extra slack in the wires to really just move them around. So it'd be kind of a similar scenario to factory. What we're trying to do with this kit to improve on what we already have is to make it to where you can install this, especially on the rear, without having to take the whole rack off, pull the wires through and all that, because that's what you currently have to do. And so we want to make that better. We want to make it easier to use our products. We want to make it to where you have to work on your bike less and maybe get to ride more. So those are things that we're about. So let's look at that. You need a Phillips screwdriver, preferably one a little bit shorter than this one. I grabbed the longest one I had, but it'll still work. And a good pair of side cutters. These are not required. I'll show you why, but I like to use them. So first thing we'll do, you got one Phillips screw on the back of the blinker that holds it into place. If you have factory setup without these extension brackets, you can remove those little brackets off each side, and that'll let you swing out the little bracket and get to the back of these screws. So you'll have to take that little bracket loose, but you won't have to take the rack loose or anything. Then you can use your screwdriver to pop that plate off, and then this plate right here, I usually just leave these. So that's the one that kind of goes up inside the rubber stalk. You can zip tie it out of the way. Then you can just pop out the blinker. And if you look up inside there, I think you can see it right there. There's a Phillips screw down inside the turn signal. We're gonna take that loose. You can see this has been taped up. It's barely hanging on, and it looks like it was taped to the bike, or taped to the blinker. So we're going to pull some tape off of here. Probably find a cracked one under it. Should have took this off already, but I forgot it was like this. So yeah, that one started to crack, and somebody taped her up. So anyways, once you pull that screw out and everything, you can just pull that loose. Somebody put a little glue on this one, and it's got some dirt divers in there. Yeah, see, somebody put some, oh nice, somebody actually broke this one and completely glued it back together. So that's gonna be great. Actually, will not be able to show you on this one how to do this. I'm gonna have to change this housing out. Fun stuff. Well, I'll go ahead and show you anyways. There's a plate up inside here, up inside that blinker. It's a little silver plate right here. what I like to do on those, I like to take the side cutters, just run it up there like that, and cut those off just to get it out of the way the best as you can. It's not necessary. You can slide it through this bracket and back here with this other plate and just zip tie it out of the way. But with the pair of side cutters, it's pretty easy to cut off, so I like to go ahead and just take it off. And then you can take your side cutters or a knife or whatever and just cut this rubber stalk like that, and it's out of the way. And then I'll show you, I just did this side a minute ago, so you can see what that looks like with the stalk removed. That's got the slotted kit on there. Still haven't zip tied the plate up there. And I'll show you how the kit would go together, but I'm not going to be able to screw it into place because this housing is broken. I'm going to have to wire up another one to it, find one in my parts bin. Anyways, the slotted adapter is just going to slide onto the wires and into place in the housing just like that. See that? And then once you do that, you can drop it right into place in your bracket. And on the back side, you've got the slotted inner plate. Put the flat side towards the bracket, of course. The ridges go out, the reinforcement ridges, those go out towards the inside of the bike. You can slide that in place, and you see that right there? Yeah, see, that's how it would slide into place. And then you've got your screw hole right on the back to stick your screw in. You snug it up and that will be done. Unfortunately, someone prior has broken the screw slot out of this, and I'm gonna have to repair it. So anyways, that should give you an idea of how simple it is to install the new version of this kit. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know.